Umetamonika for Tombo. Agaza kuka bomba. I don't understand. It's from the tape and looks like this. Hi guys, come back to my channel. Hello. It's time for another new video. So it's a Sunday afternoon. I hope you guys are doing well. If you have gone to church for fellowship, how was it? As for me, I just came back a while ago, and as you can see, I have a whole bunch of clothes here. So today is laundry day for me. I didn't do that on Saturday because yesterday I was up to something else. So I have to do this right now. Yeah, and if you are an African, you know what it is to be doing laundry the African way. So today I'm going to show you guys how we African do our laundry. We don't use no machine. We don't pay nobody to do our laundry for us. We do it ourselves. We have our own hands. So we do it the African way. I'm gonna show you. And behind me, this is where I'm gonna be doing it from. There is no water in this tank since the kids have damaged it. They usually used to climb on the gutter there, and then so the gutter leaks. And there was a tape where there was a tape there, and the kid broke it off. So whenever the water goes in, it just runs out. So this is the center. I'm doing my laundry here since it's nearby the water. We have water here, so yeah, there's a whole bunch of clothes. It's a lot. It's a lot. I have a blanket that I soaked in water, and it's the one I'm going to start with. So I'll carry you guys along. Be sure to like this video, leave a sweet comment, and also subscribe to the channel, you guys. If you have not subscribed until this time, I don't know, don't you like me, or why are you not subscribing? I'm trying my best to bring you guys content and show you stuffs. I have also another interesting video that will be coming. I'm not sure whether this one is the one that is going to come up first or the other one, but either way, whichever comes first, just know. Yeah, with that being said, stay tuned. I realize it's sunny. Decided to carry my load and come here. I'm gonna be doing it in this shade. So I'll be doing it in this shade. I'm gonna be doing it from here. So this is a blanket that I soaked. So over there is my load. This is the bucket where I soaked this blanket. Over there is the other one. I want to show you guys. Look at this water, how it looks. This water came from the tap. Can somebody tell me what this is? Now, this my blanket is cream. I don't know now how I'm gonna manage with this kind of water. I'm scared it's going to ruin my blanket. But I think the cause of this is because I think municipality somehow last week, I don't know whether it was Thursday or Wednesday or Friday, there was a broken pipe, a water pipe that was broken somewhere in my location, and then they were busy fixing. So I think it could be the cause of this. It's not safe water to drink. That's why sometimes it's not safe to be drinking water from the tap straight out without boiling it. It is not safe. Anyway, this is the load that I'm going to do. It's a lot of clothes, although it looks smaller. There's a lot under there. So yeah. First of all, I just have to off this blanket is so heavy. God help me. I don't know how I'm gonna manage, but we will try our best. one of the easiest way to wash your blanket when it's heavy and you can't manage with your hands. So you just be stepping on it like this. So I am done with this one. Sorry, I have to bend. So I'm done with this blanket. It's still in water. I'm just waiting for my sister to come so that we can drain the water out, because I can't do it alone. So I'm waiting for her. And in the meantime, while I'm waiting for it, here, I am starting to wash my clothes. You know, you have to put in first the white ones. Anything that you know, in case you mix with something that has color, it might ruin your thing. So I'm starting with this one first. As you can see, I clean here. This is where I'm gonna place the clothes that I'm done with. The other whole bunch is still there. So we are starting, and this is how we do it. Yeah, you hold. Let me bring you guys closer. You hold. Then you go like. So this is how we wash our clothes in Africa, and also in Namibia, to be specific. But I'm very sure that all other African countries use this way to wash their clothes. We are so used to it that we don't really find it to be hard. You have to, the underarm part, you have to do this well, otherwise, you know, it's not gonna be clean. I'm using Mama's. So it's a Mama's powder, cold power, suitable for cold and hot water. So you can either use it with hot water or cold water, it doesn't matter. So it's suitable for all, and it's a lemon flavor. So you can see this lemon here, lemon flavor. So yeah, this is what I'm using. And when you are done, you have to just squeeze so that you can squeeze out the water. I'm not ready to hang this yet, because I still have to come and rinse it with the clean water without powder, because if you hang it like this, it's gonna be ruined. So if there is something that I don't like to wash, heavy jerseys, blankets, and jeans. Yo, I don't know, it's all just hard. I don't like washing these things. Whenever you're washing your clothes, or especially jeans or jerseys or jackets, always go in your pocket too, in case you left some money there, because I am a witness to it. Happened to me one time. I was washing my clothes and then I found I don't know how much was it, $100 or $200. I found Namibian dollars. I found in my Imamaya, 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 Idibube. Imamaya, 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 Idibube. Otosi rimansi chineke. Otosi rimansi chineke. Imamaya, 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 Idibube. Imamaya, 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 Idibube. Mrs. Nwachuku, gospel singer from Nigeria. She is my favorite. Wondering why I'm singing in Igbo language, and I'm Namibian. That's That's how much I love anything that has to do with Nigeria. When it comes to gospel, comes to songs, music, movies, food. If I have 1,000 songs, it will never be enough to describe how good you are to me. So I offer up. We in Africa, we don't. Anyways, but I'm sure there are some people that measure though. But as for me, I don't measure how many powder should or how much of the powder I should use. I should put in the water. I'll be putting in until one of my ancestors say, "It is well, my child. It is enough, my child." Then I'll stop. When I hear them talk, I'll stop. It's just a joke. I don't talk to ancestors. I know that my Redeemer liveth. I know He's not far from me. I know when He will arise, the whole world will know that our Redeemer liveth. I know, I am very sure. I know He's not far from me. I know when He will rise, the whole world will know that my Redeemer liveth. Amankwara manonyeche nomso. I so love Nigerian songs, gospel songs. Understand? I know there's a lot of so many faults in what I was saying, in the words that I was mentioning when I was singing, because some of I've forgotten some parts. The songs that came, these songs that just came in my mind now when I was watching here. I just remember this song. It used to be my favorite song until today. Just that I was these days I was listening to more of other songs, but yeah, we are connected because of this internet, and I'm very sure there are some of Nigerian brothers and sisters that watches this. Hello guys, kudos to you guys. I love your cultures. I love your many languages and your songs. So yep, we are almost done. I'm only left with 2 pieces, and then I can rinse all of this. So my laundry is done. So guys, I am done. Finally, I'm done. This is just one of the clothes. Pack my stuff here, and I am look at the sky. Look at how it looks. And tell me if I should hang my clothes outside or not. This, it looks good because I'm sure the rain is gonna come. And it's nice. Outside is nice because there is wind. Although there is no sun, I'm sure the clothes are gonna dry off fast. But this is obviously going to be raining soon. I'm supposed to hang my clothes here. Like, there are some few of them that I put up there. Over there is a blanket. This is the garden, guys, that we really not taking care of. The thing that discouraged me about this garden is because the sand here, I think, is not fertile. But as you can see, we have some, oh, this sweet potato. Yeah, I think it's sweet potato. Over there is some little aloe vera plant. There's too much weed here, and this thing is just now growing big. I believe it's gonna take over the whole garden. The garden is not fertile. It is only some of the vegetables that manages to grow out here. Like, as you can see, we tried to part or make blocks, but it's not. We have chili. There's chili there. If you can see, this is a chili plant, and here are tomatoes. We tried spinach. We tried spinach the last time, because this is my friend that put up some of that planted some of this. We have spinach here, and more of the potatoes. More of the tomatoes. We just somehow. If there is anybody there that is good at what is it? How is it called? Farming. If there is anybody out there that is good at farming and that really have time, you want to rent this. You want to rent this garden out? Please come and rent this garden and make it useful. Because for me, I don't think I have really time to take care of it. I need just to find where I can get enough, good manure and good seeds. I know we have a lot of seeds here, but I think just the land is not fertile. Thank you so very much for watching this video, staying until this long. If you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and share me out, guys. If you are able to share the video on your community, introduce me to your community, I will highly appreciate it, and I always remember you. Yeah, like it, leave a sweet comment. Tell me in the comment section how you do it in your country where you are watching from. How do you wash your clothes? Are you the same person or someone that uses a laundry machine, or do you still do it with your hands as I do? Because I personally don't have a machine, so I prefer doing this. I don't know how I'm gonna be. I don't know whether I will still be able to be doing this if I get a machine though, but I'm sure if I go to the village, I'll definitely do this, because we don't have machines in the village. So yeah, with that being said, you guys, see you in my next video. I love you guys, and thank you so much once again for stopping by and choosing the video until this long. With that being said, ciao, shalom.